Right guys, see that bollard there, or cone I should say, that's blocking a parking space, right? And it's one of the many places that I have to resort to, because where I live, once I leave I can never get back there until after 5 p.m. in the afternoon. But there's some renos going on, renovations 2 doors down from me, and I'll show you something in a second. So here we are guys, right outside my own house, and somebody thinks they can just take spaces like this. Yes, not on. Yes, I know. They have absolutely no clue. I live right there, and I just got out of hospital, mate. This is gone. No. So this is going. Hey. Have you? I don't think so, mate. I live right there.
You don't own the road.
Hey, you don't own it.
Put the phone in and all that.
Mate, you don't have permission for this. Okay?
Yeah, I'll bring my van round, it's alright.
No, you've already blocked around there, mate. Hey, see that? See that? I just got a fucking hospital. 10 days in hospital, mate, and I live right there. Yeah, fuck off. Put your skip round the corner. I'll push it right away, mate. I'm telling you right now, I'll push it right away. Yeah? You stand there, mate, and you'll get knocked down. You need to call the cops then, mate. I'm going to park here. You can move. No, you're not.
Well, yeah.
No, you're not, mate.
Yes, I am.
You think so? I don't think so. So, guys, here we go. Renault guy thinks he owns the road. Thinks he owns the road. Putting bloody cones where he cannot. Has absolutely no permission from the council. I'm a council taxpayer, mate.
Are you seen in the corner here?
Oh, you don't know.
Move it. Yeah, I'm parking here, mate.
You want to stand in, I'll bring my van.
Mate, you've already blocked one round the corner. Who do you think you are?
Honestly, it's just
You still get a skip in there. When he parks in here, you still get a skip in there.
Okay. Look at the skip in there. Jack wouldn't want to bother, will he? Just pull your car in it.
I've got to pull my car in there, mate.
Well,
I understand what you're doing,
yeah.
right?
Listen.
That's fair play. Nobody wants to, as a construction worker, nobody wants to have to park miles.
The slinging match is over. You've had an operation. Park your car in here,
Yeah.
and all right. My boss won't allow it anyway.
Yeah. If you need a skip, just knock on my door,
Pull your car.
and I'll pull my car so you can get a skip in. All right?
Thank you very much.
All right. I got no issues with that. If you're getting a skip, but you can't just do that. Yeah. All right. Cheers, mate. All right. Here we go, guys. Right.